I have to admit that I eat cereal literally every single day, so I might not be the best arbiter of what's good or bad for General Mills, but can they recover by making tricks look more boring and less tasty?
Well, this is all tied into our desire to have more health and wellness throughout all our lives, and our diets are a big part of this, and even kids' cereals are impacted, as you two just illustrated. So I think the cereal category will be fine, but we need products that cater more towards health and wellness, gluten-free, more focused on protein, take some of the artificial coloring out, as you two have mentioned. I think the category has stabilized here recently after a couple of years of softness, but as you two mentioned, it's been tough sledding in this segment for a little while.
What do people eat? How do people not eat cereal? I mean, I eat cereal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
They want gluten-free, quinoa-based granola, and Jack, ultimately, cereal is still 25%.
I just wonder what they eat. What do you eat when you're not eating cereal? What else?
Greek yogurt.
What do you eat?
Why don't we get back to Jack?
Okay. I agree with you. I eat a lot of cereal myself. I think it's healthy, it's good for you, but there is also the issue of lack of portability. It's tough. We're all leading busy lives, and it's tough when you're driving into work in the morning and you're on the go and you're rushed, and sitting down having a bowl of cereal just takes too much time, as crazy as that sounds. So, and that's where I think the industry is going to have to be more creative and innovative with thinking about the category. And again, it does tie into health and wellness to some degree, so I think the category can get back on track. It's just going to take a little while.
All right, what do they have to do then? Is it yogurt? I mean, Olivia makes a great point that Greek yogurt has picked up a lot. It's obviously more portable, and more companies are putting sort of cereal, granola type of stuff that can dump into your yogurt. Is that one solution?
Yeah, that'll help. And if you look at General Mills, the two categories that are really working for them, as you mentioned, yogurt and also snack bars. So this fits into exactly what we're talking about: health and wellness, portability, people eating these products on the go. And I think you'll see more of that going forward. I mean, this company, too, is trying to become more of a natural, organic company itself. It bought a company by the name of Annie's last year that propelled it even further into that category. So General Mills, along with a lot of the traditional food companies, are trying to remake themselves at this point and cater more towards what consumers are really desiring right now.
Yeah, they of course they are trying to appear more natural, but ultimately they are a big packaged foods company. Jack, what are the biggest risks to your buy rating on the stock?
Well, I think if you saw in this quarter, they beat the number on earnings. A lot of that came through cost savings, a lower tax rate, what we would call kind of non-operating items. The sales growth numbers missed the targets this quarter, and that's going to be the biggest challenge. Can this company grow the top line? They are boosting their presence overseas, so that's good. But we're seeing a lot of growth in those emerging markets, as both of you know, slow down here a little bit. But the challenge is going to be the top line. Can they grow sales? They still have a lot of categories like Betty Crocker and Pillsbury. They're kind of those boring, center-of-the-aisle, traditional food categories that are really struggling. So can they overcome that through product innovation and doing more in yogurts and snacks, and hopefully cereal can rebound?